Hey beauties, what's popping? Waah Gwaan. Welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and let's jump on into this video. So today's video, I'll be doing some fruit milkshake nails. These nails are kind of questionable. Not the nails, the fruits that I decided to go with is kind of questionable because I don't think I'll ever use them in a milkshake, but I've done my research and apparently these can be created into a milkshake. Not my cup of tea because I will never ever drink any of these milkshakes, but besides banana, but I don't think I'll ever drink any of these milkshakes. So let me know down below if you guys will, or if you guys have ever tried these fruit milkshakes, because since I'm not about that life. So first things first, I'll be using my natural acrylic on the nail bed and pulling the product down. So I'm letting that work as if I'm doing an ombre. So I'm pulling the product down on the artificial nail, ensuring that it's a smooth gradient because I don't want the nail to be bulked. So I am ensuring that that area of the nail is quite flat as possible. So I'll put the natural on the base of the nail, just between the tip and the base of my nail, and gently pulling the product down, and then I'll add some more to the cuticle area. Just a 2-ball bead method because we're doing some fruit milkshake nails today. So now I will be going in with the various colors from this collection here. This is a Mia Secret collection that I'll be using. I will link it in the description, so if you guys want to go and purchase it, you guys can just click on the link and purchase. So out of this kit, I'll be using the citrus, grapes, orange, ice cream and cake, and also lemon. And what is so funny about this is that I never realized the decals that I'll be using is the name of the actual acrylic color, which is so mind-blowing to me. I know person's like, girl, but it's so mind-blowing to me. So what I'm doing right here is that I'm mixing both the white acrylic with the colored acrylic, so to get that marbling effect, while at the same time it represents the milkshake effect. So that's what I'll be doing on all these nails. Nothing too fancy about them really, just marbling and ensuring that they look like milkshake. Bring all the boys to the yard, okay? So after I was done with the portion of mixing the both acrylics, the colored acrylic to the white acrylic, to get that milkshake effect, I then went over with some clear over those nails with some clear, and then added decals and some leaves to it. So I'm thinking back, I actually don't know what my my thought process was, why I added leaves, or strips of leaves to these nails. And I think somewhere down the line I was thinking, okay, probably this can be milkshake iced tea. I don't know if this is my invention or if it's something that is here on this earth, or you know. But I don't know what my thought process is, but at the end of the day they came out really cute. These actually came out really cute in this nail design. So I'll do this to all of these nails, adding the fruits, add a clear thin layer to the nail, adding the fruits, and then add the leaves to them just to give them a little more oomph. And then I'll go in and add some glitters to each nail. So yeah, and that's about it. So these are how the nails are looking after I have put on the decals. Now I'm going to show you guys how I encapsulate. So I like working in stages. Sometimes I do like working in stages, especially when it comes to me encapsulating stuff under the nails. If it's not something under the nails, I'm not going to be doing it in layer. I tend to do it in a larger bead. So I do this in like 3 beads, ensuring that each thing on the nail is encapsulated. And then I'll take the natural color once again and go at the tip of the nail just to get that nice finishing feeling of the nail. And then when that is done, I'll then go in again and encapsulate the whole entire nail once again, just to, you know, keep that finish. Look at that nail, bam. So now I'll be going in with my sanding band. This is my favorite part. This is one of my favorite parts about doing acrylic nails. I like the whole process of applying the acrylic, and I like when I file the acrylic. So just before I came on camera, I ensured that I deburred the nail before, you know, going in with the sanding band, because the sanding band is like the final stage. This is just to ensure that the nail is smoothed out properly. I really do like this stage and like this process of filing, using the emery board, using the e-file. I love it all. So I'm going down the barrel of the nail, ensuring I go from top to bottom, side wall to side wall, ensuring that these nails are straight, sis. So yeah, so after that is done, I will then buff the nails, go and wash my hands, and then I'll come in to do the top coat. So I'm using my favorite top coat. I don't know if I must classify this as my favorite top coat, because it's the only top coat that I have right now. So I'll top coat each of these nails. Look at those nails though, sis, they're looking real pretty. Look at that. This one was my favorite one. These nails were my favorite set of nails. This thumb here, it was my favorite. So after top coating, I will then bling out the nails. I must say that I went an extra mile with these nails. I mean, these nails were extra to begin with, and I extra-fied them a little bit more. But yes, if you guys do enjoy this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below if you like these set of nails, or if you would drink these type of milkshake, because I don't think I will ever do such thing, because I want to live longer on this earth. So thank you guys so very much for watching. If you're new, welcome. Thank you guys so for clicking on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.